Double Life of Veronique, made in 1991 by Krzysztof Kieślowski, is a Polish-French production and a film that was the first made by Kieślowski after the huge international success of both Decalogue and the two short films about love and about killing. The film is remarkable and it's very strange, and it's a sort of a strange presence in Kieślowski's filmography in that it's almost a fable, a fairy tale about two identical girls who are living in different parts of Europe. There is Weronika living in Poland, and there is Veronique, the French version of the first one. They are not related by blood, they seem to be related by soul, and they are completely unaware of one another. Both Veroniques are played by Irene Jacob, who was awarded for this film as Best Actress at Cannes Film Festival, and who really, thanks to this film and to this performance, became an international icon of European cinema in general. She's gorgeous in the film, she's delicate, and she plays Veronique, actually both Veroniques, with the amount of lucidity and beauty that is really unmatched in world cinema of that time. This is a film that presents a metaphysical case of two people connected by spirit, and yet it is full of nods and traces of politics of that time. Remember that this is 1991, so it's only been 2 years that Poland enjoyed its freedom, and 2 years since the Berlin Wall that divided Europe into two halves for such a long time fell. In a way, the French Veronique, who grew up in free France, and the Polish Veronique, who grew up in communist Poland, are spiritual twins that represent the true unity of Europe itself, of Europe that lived in separation for such a long time. And the one image of the film in which the Polish and French Veronique lock eyes for just a few seconds as Veronique is leaving Kraków and Weronika is looking at her at the Kraków main market square is a magical moment in which I think Kieślowski expresses his belief not only in the unity of human experience, but also in unity of European experience, something that he will plunge right into in his Three Colors trilogy, and something that he will explore so beautifully in his last 3 films. Veronique is a beautiful film that also sports a gorgeous and very successful score by Zbigniew Preissner and atmospheric, lyrical and impressionistic photography by Sławomir Idziak. It's truly a film like no other, both spiritual and very physical, both sensuous and philosophical, rooted in the wonderful double performance of Irene Jacob, and it will forever remain a symbol of a Polish director who truly conquered the world with his vision. Double Life of Veronique is Kieślowski's at his very best.